Hi guys, a little bit of help with the simultaneous equations work. So from the worksheet that was uploaded to your assignment, let's have a look at 1a and 1b as well. So we have 3x plus 2y equals 12. We also have 2x plus 2y equals 10. What we're trying to find out is the value of x and the value of y. So let's have a look here. What is the difference between these two equations? Well, this has got 2y and this has got 2y. This has got 3x and this has only got 2x. So these values are the same, but in this equation we've just got an extra x. We've got 3x add 2y here, I've got 2x plus 2y in here. So the difference between the left-hand side of each equation is that in this one we have one extra x. What's the difference in the right-hand side? An extra 2. We've got a 12 and a 10, so the top equation is 2 more than the bottom equation. So let's try and put that into kind of real-life terms. So we go to Fisher & Donaldson. We buy 3 pasties and 2 fudge donuts, and that costs £12. The next day we go back, we buy 2 pasties and 2 fudge donuts, and that costs £10. So what have we got extra? On that first day, we got an extra pasty, and overall we've paid an extra £2. So that means the price of a pasty must be £2. Okay, so to work that out mathematically, how to set it out, would say, well, I've got my bill from day one, so I've got my 3 pasties and 2 fudge donuts for £12. I'm going to subtract the entire bill from day 2. So I'm going to take away 2 pasties, I'm going to take away 2 fudge donuts, I'm also going to take away the £10 to look at the difference between the two bills. So we're doing equation 1, subtract equation 2. So we started with 3x, we're subtracting 2x from it. So we're left with 1x. We start with 2y, we're subtracting 2y from that, which will leave 0 y's. So what we have done there, we have eliminated the y term, so we're only left with x's, and we're doing 12 minus 10, which is 2. So the value of x is 2, or our pasty costs £2. Now if I know my pasty is £2, 3 pasties would be 3 2's, which are £6. So £6 add 2 fudge donuts is £12. From there I could work out the price of my fudge donuts. So that's what we do after we've worked out either x or y. In this case we've worked out x. We substitute back in to either this equation or that equation, because the value of x is the same in both. The price of our pasty is £2 on both days. They've not put the prices up. So here we have 3 2's, which is 6, plus 2y equals 12. So 6 plus 2y equals 12. So we need to subtract 6 from both sides of the equation here, which will give us 2y equals 6, or 2 fudge donuts cost £6. Dividing through by 2, y equals 3, or the price of a fudge donut is £3. And we can go back at the end, substitute into the second equation just to check to see if that works out. So x was 2, y was 3, so 2 2's are 4, add 2 3's, which is 6, 4 add 6 equals 10. So it works for the second equation. We've done it right.